It was my first time in India, and starting it with the Holi festival was a unique experience. It was full of colors, action and people smiling and dancing everywhere in the streets. My name is Alexander Gendron, and I will always remember this colorful experience. I was constantly in the middle of the action, and to be able to get the best shots without stressing for my camera, I used Outex cover. It allowed me to protect my camera while being able to change my settings and check my results quickly and easily, unlike others.
Holi is part of my culture, but experiencing it in Mathura was another level of madness. My name is Sudhanshu Verma, and photographing this event was very special to me. I used MSX waterproof backpack to keep my gears protected from the elements, and it allowed me to fully experience the energy as a photographer and especially as a local.